What is up, guys? It's Raul TV back at you again, your favorite YouTube mechanic. What I'm going to do now is I've got a Mercedes A-Class, a 2014-15 kind of thing, Mercedes A-Class, and we're going to go ahead and replace the rear reversing light bulb. Okay, same principle for the brake light bulb. If you want to change the position light, the side light on the back, the indicators, same principle, same method. So it's all in one basically. Let's go. Right, so there's the light cluster. What we're going to do is, it's the same principle, like I said, same method for the brake light bulb, for the indicator bulb, for the position light. So basically, rear bulbs replacement. Okay, but we're going to do the reverse light. So we're going to go in this way, take that off, pull that one off, and we've got this little thing here. We'll just turn that, carry on turning that anti-clockwise, and take that off completely. Boom, there we go. Right, after taking that off, if you can, just give it a push there. It should just come straight off. If not, you just have to wiggle it about a little bit. Let's see if I can. Okay, well that one, luckily it just came off nice and easy. But sometimes they can be a little bit tricky. So give it a little bit of a wiggle, a little bit of persuasion. It should come straight off. And you don't need to pull it off this way. If you look at it, don't pull it off this way or like lift it up or anything. It comes towards the back of the car. Okay, let's clear that up. You don't want to break anything. Push it towards the back of the car. It should come straight off. Right, what we're going to do now is we're going to go in here and we're going to undo the wiring plug. So to undo the wiring plug, you press on either side, and that comes off. There you go. Now we've got the complete lamp off. We're going to take the backing off. Okay, to take the backing off, not hard, guys. All you do is take this one off, take that off, and take that off. They should be hand tight. Okay, mine was hand tight. If you want, you can get a screwdriver if they don't come off, flat screwdriver, and take it off. But these were absolutely hand tight. They come off nice and easy, no messing whatsoever. Let's take these three off. And then we've got a little clip on the top here, one here and one here. They should just pull out. There we go, just like that. That pulls out, that pulls out. You get two hands on it, a lot easier, because if you take it off evenly, it'll come off. Because if I'm pulling it on this side, it's getting stuck on this side. So if I pull it off evenly, that'll come off. Okay, once we've got that off, it's absolutely plain sailing from then. That's the bulb that we're going to replace. Not rocket science or anything. All you do is just pull it off. Hold that as well and pull it off. There we go. Just pull that off. That's off. If you want, you can go ahead and replace the indicator, all the light bulbs if you want at the same time. I mean, you don't have to, but that's the one we're going to replace. Okay, it is a capless bulb, but a different kind of capless bulb. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and replace that and refit it again. Okay, so there's the new bulb. All we do is get it lined up and just push that in. There we go, job done. We could just do the same on these as well. This one, this one, this one, and this one, but we don't need to because they're all working. Let's refit it in reverse order. Let's finish it off. Well, that is it, guys. That's how we replace the bulbs on the A-Class, Mercedes A-Class 2014-15 kind of thing. Even on the earlier ones, it's exactly the same. I've just replaced the reverse light bulb. You can replace all the other bulbs like that exactly the same way. Anyway, guys, I hope this video helps you guys out. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for me. Leave a comment in the comment section. Raul TV will see you next time. See you guys. Bye.